Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Haagen Dazs. This is non-dairy. Take a look at that. You can pick this up at your local grocery store. I was surprised to see Haagen Dazs going non-dairy. Check this out. They use coconut. This is coconut caramel. And if you look here, creamy coconut base. And take a look at the ingredients. Well, that's right there. Coconut cream, some sugar. Well, they use glucose, caramel, water, sugar, pectin, and dextrose. That's quite a bit of sugar. So let's see what 20 grams of sugar per half a cup. So this is 414 mils. So about half of that is so 40 grams pretty much altogether. It's pretty crazy. All right, so let's do a quick taste test. All right, that's what it looks like. There we go. And let's do a quick taste test right here. Wow, that's really good. It has a really good aroma of the coconut. It's like you literally eating coconut. It's quite good. The caramel, I don't taste the caramel that much in it. Let me try that piece. Yeah. Primarily what I get is pure coconut flavor. Definitely check it out, guys, though. It has a really good aroma of coconut. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.